I wanna know your mama and your daddy for that big old ass that you clapping. Girl, that big old ass I keep slapping. Girl, that ass so fat and I grabbing. And thank your mama and your daddy for that big old.
Welcome back to another edition of Clickbait Media. I am your host, Rob Season Baby. If this is your first time here, please be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button with the notification bell. So whenever I post, you will know that I am here. Alright, y'all, in this edition, we have a Kentucky judge by the name of Dunn Gentry that was suspended amid allegations that she was having threesomes inside of the court. So, I'm going to play this little news clip, then I'm going to come back with the rest of my commentary because they was in there really doing the Marvin Gaye. Let's get it on.
And we begin in Kenton County, where a judge is wrapped up right now in a scandal involving sex, alcohol, and campaign coercion inside the courthouse.
And new at 6, we are hearing from the judge's attorney. Nine on your sides. Courtney Francisco is live in Covington. Courtney, what can you tell us?
Her attorney says she's worried about the accusations, of course, but she does have some support. If true, we are talking about abuse of power and possibly breaking the law inside the Kenton County Courthouse, and this could have affected some cases involving children. Stack of 9 complaints accuse Judge Don Gentry of running an office with sexual affairs, alcohol, lies, and revenge.
She's worried, but seems to be holding up real well. Just talked to her about 5 minutes ago.
Stephen Ryan out of Louisville is her attorney. He FaceTimed me.
But she has a lot of people that are coming to her assistance and aid.
An anonymous person filed the complaint to the Judicial Conduct Commission November 18th. In it, text messages, court documents, accusations of having sexual relations with 2 staff members in the courthouse, drinking alcohol in the courthouse, coercing staff to help her with her campaign, retaliating against those who did not support by delaying hearing dates. It says she held pre-trial conferences in child abuse cases without all attorneys present.
They're very serious charges.
Attorney Richard Goldberg works on the Bar Grievance Committee in Cincinnati, so he deals with these kinds of cases. He says the JCC of 6 members will hear each side and decide the punishment.
The sanctions vary. They can be as minor as a private reprimand. It could be a public reprimand. It could be a suspension of her duties as a judge for a time period or removal from the bench.
The judge's attorney submitted her response to the JCC Monday, denying sexual conduct and alcohol, retaliation, admitting to some things like asking staff to help with her campaign, and says a child did see a confidential proceeding.
I was on the commission for 5 years, and I know that we'll get a fairness from the commission, so that's all I'm worried about.
I did call the people involved in this case, and so far haven't heard back for comment. Now, all of this is public record, and you can see it on our website, WCPO.com. The JCC says it expects to announce a hearing date in the next couple of weeks. Reporting live in Covington, Courtney Francisco, 9 on your side.
Okay, so Judge Gentry was clearly abusing her power that she had as being a judge. She has abused it so much that she is also being accused of hiring her lover, Stephen Penrose, to work with her. They were so in love that they had their own little band going on. Look at them. Oh, one of their little gigs. Yet, the threesome and the alleged hiring of her lover is the only thing she is facing. She is facing charges of bringing her children to work and allowing them to sit in on confidential hearings. So just in case I haven't already said this here, that she is a family judge, it also is alleged that one of her children recognized the child in a case of family court that she was proceeding over. She also, as well as being accused of allowing staff to drink alcoholic beverages while at court, but she strongly denies that she falsified timesheets and didn't know that the staffers were drinking. On top of this, she is also being accused of making inappropriate advances towards a child adversary lawyer who worked in her court. So that means she was steady trying to find somebody else to do besides her lover. 3 of the charges against Gentry are related to alleged retaliations against the lawyers and others who displeased her. So that means if you wasn't screwing her or whatever, then things weren't gonna go your way. Alright, so she has to appear before a judicial commission last Friday to determine whether she will continue to serve on the bench while her case is in review. This week, the commission judges said that she will be suspended from acting in her official capacity as judge. And Gentry had denied all the allegations against her, which we knew that she would. Alright, y'all. So in this situation here, I see an old freaky judge that likes to screw, get drunk, and what they call it, do the do. And this actually can be a Lifetime movie. I can actually see this in the works if they ain't already got one and it's just a reenactment. But I know one damn thing, whoever spilled the beans, you better hope your name don't leak, because you're gonna have some motherfuckers that's gonna be mad at you, boy. Man, it's some folks, boy, they was enjoying their job. They can come to work, they can get drank, they can have a threesome and get paid for it all at once. Man, it's a perfect job. You just fucked it up. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this little freaky judge having all these little threesomes and stuff all in the courtroom. Was she right or wrong, or was it just plain out good fun while you were getting paid for it? Alright, so that'll do it for me. This is Rob Caesar, baby, of Clickbait Media. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As well as comment below and tell me what you think about this thrilling threesome affair from the courthouse. I'm Rob Caesar, baby, and I'm up out of here. Peace.
Wanna know your mama and your daddy for that big old